In this lab, we will be looking at the working of the how SNS topic can be created and CloudWatch Alarm can be used to monitor the performance of the CPU. And if CPU utilization goes beyond some threshold, then alarm will be generated, and one notification will be sent to the user. So that I'm just going to talk here now. So before going to start, we need to create an EC2 instance, and we will monitor the CPU utilization of that instance. So I'm just going to create this instance first. So I'll create one Linux machine, right? You can create any kind of machine based on your requirement. So I'm launching, I'm just writing EC2 monitor, and here I will be, I'm just writing here instance type same. I'll create one key pair here, EC2 monitor KP, and then after that what I'll do, I'll allow SSH connection and nothing else. I'm just going to launch my EC2 instance. After launching EC2 instance, what I'll do, I'll go to here. So my EC2 instance will be in running condition after some time. So it will take some time, right? Just go and see the EC2 here, and if you will go to monitor phase here, right? So you will see various matrices, right? So CPU utilization, network in bytes, and some more matrices there. Storage, network in, network out, network packet, everything else there, right? So you can go and you can monitor the CPU utilization, right? So what you will do, you just go and you can enlarge it, or you can use it later also, right? So I just want to see it in matrices. I want to see it in matrices. So what will happen, it will go to CloudWatch setting, and there it will show its how it look like in CloudWatch matrix environment, right? So what I did here, I went to CloudWatch, and inside the matrix I'm just going to look at my CPU utilization matrix, right? Nothing else. So what I'll do, I'll go and I just want to enlarge it, right? I just want to enlarge, so you can see the CPU utilization for some hours, some time, right? So I'm just closing this window, and I'm just going here. I'm just going to this board again, and if I'm just going to this particular matrix, CPU utilization matrix, and I'm just going here in the matrices, right? View in matrices, then I'll be looking at the matrix information, right? Now I'm just going to connect with this particular CPU EC2 instance, then I'm showing what will happen. So I'm just going to connect with this instance, so it will be connected, right? And now once you will get connected, you will see CPU utilization will increase. So period of like utilization check, you can set minimum 1 minute. So you can set less than 1 minute also, but right now we are using free tier account, so we can it can be 1 minute only. Now I just want to see, I want to connect with this, with the alarm, right? So I want to create alarm. So for that purpose, I'll use this particular button. And here you can see once my instance got connected, right? At that time, you can see CPU utilization was 13.7%, right? Now I just want to set an alarm if CPU utilization go beyond 25%. I'm setting that particular value here. So what you can do, you just go and set that value, right? So I'm just going to create here a metric name as CPU utilization, instance ID, because this ID is appearing because I just came here from that EC2 instance, right? So now after this one, I'll go and I'll in the condition, thresholding type condition I'm taking, and I'm just putting this condition greater than or equal to, right? What is the value? Okay, so I'm setting the thresholding value as 25, and I'm just going to additional configuration here. I'm not doing any other configuration here. Now I'm going to next, right? So there are three phase: in alarm, okay, and insufficient data phase, right? So when you are creating your alarm, right, so in that case there is no data to give as an input here, right? So in that case it will be in the insufficient data phase. When there is nothing, no problem, in that case it will be in okay phase. But whenever there is an alarming situation, that it will be in alarm case, right? So I'll show all these phases later on. Now I can send notification to the following SNS topic. So I'll create one new topic here, and topic name is CloudWatch Alarm, right? Something like that. So here you need to provide your email address, right? So I'm providing here my email address, right? Provide correct email address because notification will be sent to your email address. So go and create topic. One topic will be created, right? And then you can add notification or something else also. Just if you want to see in SNS console, you can go and check there, but I'm not going to check there. Now I'm just going to next here. Alarm name EC2 utilization. I'm just writing utilization. Then after that, what I'll do, I'm just going to next. You can preview here, right? So my alarming condition is CPU utilization is greater than 25, right? Then alarm will be created. So no problem. So here you will see a line, nothing else. And all the setting is done. Now go and create alarm, right? So my alarm is created, right? And alarm name is here. Right now it is in insufficient data phase, right? As I discussed, because first it will go to insufficient data phase, then it will be going to the next phase, right? So I have created EC2 utilization. So it is in insufficient data phase. After some time it will be in okay phase, and once alarming condition will be generated, then it will be going to the alarming case. Now as I provided here my email address, one email notification must be sent to my email address, right? So I'm just going to open my email here, and you will see I'll get one email notification for the subscription purpose, right? So I'll be looking at here. Email notification must be sent to me. I need to check it, right? So once we need to verify first, okay? So right now it is not in okay condition, it is in insufficient data phase, so I need to wait for some time. Then it will be in the in alarming condition, right? So I'm connected to my instance also. I'm just connected to my instance, right? So I need to, what is the next step? I'm just going to show here. You can see I need to, so right now there is no alarming situation, but I need to create a alarming situation where CPU utilization should go beyond some thresholding condition. For that purpose, I'll install stress on my EC2 instance. Then I'll generate load stress, or I'm saying I need 4 core of CPU for 180 second, something like that. So in that case, what will happen? More load will be generated, and my CPU utilization will exceed more than, you can say, 25%, right? So I'm just showing that whether the alarm is generated or not. Notifications, no notification is sent till now. I need to check the condition here again. Okay, so it is, I have not received any email till now, so I'll check it later. Okay, so you can see one EC2 utilization alarm is created. It is in insufficient data phase. After some time, it will be in OK phase, right? And now you can see one message is coming here, view SNS subscription, right? So if you see now, you just check an email, so you can see one AWS notification email is coming for confirming the subscription. So once you confirm, then only you will be able to get the email otherwise you will not be able to get email notification from AWS, right? So now just refresh this window, right? So what will happen here? It is in OK condition, right? And you can see one tick is here. So if it is in alarming condition, it will you will get this button as your alarming button. If you get insufficient data, you will get 0 here, right? You will get to this particular action, right? Now I want to connect with this EC2 instance. So right now I think I am connected here. I'll install all these things there. Sudo dnf install stress, right? So I'm just going to paste this there. I'm just writing this command, right? So it will install stress here on my this EC2 instance. So I'm just going to press yes here. After this one, what will happen? I will generate stress, right? Stress hyphen CPU. I need 4 core and I'll generate stress for 180 seconds so that it can get captured, right? Because in every 60 seconds, so you can see stress is generated, right? Now you just go and check the alarm, right? So this alarming condition, you go and check whether it is in. So right now you can see CPU utilization is very less, right? And once the stress will be generated, it will go up and it will come in alarming situation. You just refresh this window again and again. You will be able to check that once CPU utilization exceeding 25, your alarming condition will be generated. Right now it is in OK case. Yeah, now you can see it is above 25, right? Now alarming condition is generated and here you can see 1 is coming. Now one notification must be sent to my email also, but it takes time. But you can see, yeah, I'm getting one notification here that from where it is coming. So name of the alarm is EC2 utilization, state change OK to alarming, threshold condition is reached, and for which AWS account such thing happened, when happened, right? What is the alarm ARN, Amazon resource number for this one, right? And what are the thresholding condition? Everything is written there so that the person who is the owner of this particular EC2 instance will get notified through this email. So this one is the lab task I just wanted to perform to show you how you can check, how you can monitor the performance of the CPU based on this particular, by using this monitoring tool, right? AWS CloudWatch tool. That is it. Now you need to delete each and everything. So you just go and delete this particular so first I'm just going to stop this one, right? This alarming condition. I'm just going to write Control-Z here. Now this stress is released, right? Now it is not generated. After some time, when you see here, the utilization is like will be less, and finally it will reach to 0 or something like that when this stress valley condition will be released, right? So you just check and refresh it later. So I'm just going to stop here, and we need to stop EC2 instance. We need to delete this this alarm, right? Everything we need to delete. So just do it from your end.